How to find the roots of this equation using the Casio fx-CG50 graphing calculator. First is to simplify and rewrite the equation such that all the terms would be on the left side and the right side would be 0. As you may notice, the given equation is a polynomial equation, and so we're going to use the CG50's Polynomial Solver. First, I'm going to turn it on, press Menu, navigate to Equation, and then execute. The Polynomial Solver corresponds to F2, so I'm going to press F2. It will then ask for the degree of the equation. The highest exponent of the equation is 3, so I'm going to press F2, which corresponds to 3. Then the calculator will ask for the coefficients of the equation. So we will input 2, then 3, -8, and then 3. Then press execute again, and the roots will be solved. So there are 3 roots. X is equal to 1, x is equal to 1/2, and then x is equal to -3. And now we have found the roots of the equation and solved the problem.